Christina Koch and Jessica Meir have been up since 1 a.m. Central Time, and they began their final prep for today's spacewalk at about 2 a.m. in order to be ready to start the spacewalk by about 6:50 a.m. Central. Now see Jessica Meir being moved inside that crew lock or equipment lock portion of the airlock, the small part that they will be depressurized so that they can head out to the vacuum of space. Astronaut Andrew Morgan there closing the hatch between this smaller part of the airlock that will actually be depressed and the rest of the station. We now see both of today's spacewalkers who completed this historic spacewalk, the first that was done by 2 women. Today's spacewalk was the 221st in support of space station assembly and maintenance,
starting our 1 minute.
and the 8th this year conducted from the space station. That's the 4th for Christina Koch. She's now got 27 hours and 48 minutes of spacewalk time under her belt. Today's was the first for Jessica Meir. She, of course, now has 7 hours and 17 minutes total for today's spacewalk. That's exactly how long it lasted, 7 hours and 17 minutes. And with today's spacewalk, there has now been spent in those 221 spacewalks from the forward space station, 57 days, 20 hours, and 29 minutes worth of spacewalking time.